How to fix the footer to the bottom of the page on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to fix the footer or freeze the footer to the bottom of the page onto your Wix website. So we're going to basically have a limit for the Wix footer of the website. It is not going to move anywhere, neither let's say occupy a space that doesn't work well for it. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the setup or the home page, click on edit site. We're going to find the website editor loaded. It is going to take a little bit of time, but it is going to be working well. So as you know, a website on Wix or any website creator is going to contain a header, a body, and also a footer. This is our footer. Now, as you can see, normally as it is, the footer is not going to move, but we can go ahead and have some settings to freeze it. That means that if we're going to delete a section, or we can go ahead and have a gap, it is not going to play around right there. So I'm going to head over here, click on footer setting, and you're going to find freeze footer. We're going to enable it. As you can see, your footer is frozen and may cover other content. So basically, we're going to freeze our footer just right there. It is not going to move. You can go ahead and click on save and click on preview to see the result of this operation. As you can see, the footer is freezed. So we're going to only show up the footer on here. We're not going to see anything other than footer, and you're going to be back to the editor. This is how you can go ahead and fix the footer into the bottom of the page. But as you can see, this is the reverse that what we wanted to do. Normally the footer is going to be set up automatically just fine within the bottom of the page, but when we froze the footer, it is going to be following up all the sections and it is going to cover up everything. So for theory of the setting of the freezing footer on the website is going to work, basically it is going to ruin your website and you're going to find everything aside. So make sure that you have here the as you can see, the footer not freezed, and it is going to be fixed at the bottom and not be set up to something else. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.